Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Ameya and we are discussing about standard test signals in control systems. In the previous video, we talked about the step input which we can replace by 1 upon s or a upon s into a Laplace transform or S domain. The second type of test inputs is a ramp signal or the ramp input. Ramp input or a signal is the signal whose value starts with the 0 and it increases linearly with respect to time. If we try to plot it graphically, at 0 your input signal will have a value of 0 and it increases as my time increases to the value of a, which is the highest value. Okay, so it is linearly proportional. So if we try to do it mathematical form, you can get r of t, which is your input, can be at, which is a function of time. So we are basically replacing this line with a mathematical function for all t's greater than or equal to 0, and this will be 0 at t less than equal to 0. Okay, then what we do is we try to get a Laplace transform. To get into the S domain. Okay, so the Laplace transform function S domain for ramp input f of s is equal to integral 0 to infinity at into e raised to minus st dt. We will take a common, which is a constant, 0 to infinity t into e raised to minus st dt. Here you can apply the u into v rule and you can keep on solving this. You will get f of s is equal to a into minus t e raised to minus st upon s, which goes from 0 to infinity, the first part of u and v rule, plus you have integral 0 to infinity e raised to minus st upon s dt, which is the second part of u into v. So this part tends to 0, plus you have a by s infinity 0 to infinity e raised to minus st dt, where this function becomes your step function. This can be replaced by 1 upon s. So effectively the final output for this will be a upon s square. So what we have understood from what is takeaway from this is, if it is asked to have a ramp input, if system is asked to have ramped input, you can replace r of s is equal to a by s square. And the same thing if it is asked for a unit ramp input, you can replace a is equal to 1. So you can replace r of s is equal to a by s square. So these are the two takeaway points for your ramp input. Now this is what I want to discuss in this video. You can subscribe my channel, share it with your friends, and do check the playlist which are available on my channel about the control systems, mechanical measurements and industrial automation. Thank you for joining.